Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. My next video is on checking the battery on your iPhone or iPad and how to make a widget to check the battery and battery power of your other connected devices. How to view the battery percentage on the iPhone or the iPad. On earlier versions of iOS, you had to turn on the battery percentage option to see this information. Now with iPhone 11 and 12, these days, the battery percent option is on by default. You just have to know where to find it. A little tip, if you're upgrading from an iPhone without Face ID, you'll see that because of the camera notch at the top, there's no longer enough horizontal room to display the battery icon and the percentage simultaneously. So, to view the battery percentage, swipe down from the right corner of the iPhone or iPad screen to open your control center. In the top right corner of the screen, next to the battery icon, is the battery percentage. This is how much battery your iPhone has left. Swipe up or tap on the background to close the control center again. If all you want to do is to be able to periodically check battery percentage, then that's all you'll have to do. If you want to easily keep tabs on the battery status, consider adding a widget to your home screen. How to add a battery widget to the iPhone or iPad. Thanks to widgets in iOS 14, which comes preloaded on the iPhone, you can add a battery percentage widget to your home screen. And here's how. Tap and hold the screen until the icons start wiggling as if you're going to delete or move them. Tap plus. In the widgets pop-up, tap batteries. You'll see 3 or 4 different examples of the battery widgets to pick the one that you like. Choose the widget style you want to use, swipe back and forth to see the option. Battery widgets will also display battery info for Apple devices connected to your phone, like your Apple Watch, your AirPods, or other Bluetooth compatible devices that have paired with your iPhone or iPad. Tap Add Widget for the one you want to use. The widget is added to your home screen. Move it around to the location where you want it to be, and then tap Done. So that's all I have for today for the iPhone and iPad battery percentage and adding a battery widget for your external devices. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.